guys, welcome back to our channel. By the way, I'm Judge Matthew De Leon and I will be explaining the components list and their purpose. We have 5 components list such as Arduino Uno, jumper cable servo, 10K potentiometer, and breadboard. First is the Arduino Uno, a microcontroller development board based on the ATmega 328P. It features analog and digital I/O pins, USB interface for uploading programs, and built-in support for controlling servos through PWM. Its purpose in Servo Plus Potentiometer project is to read the analog signal from the potentiometer, converts it into a servo angle, and sends the PWM signal to rotate the servo shaft accordingly. Next is the jumper cable a flexible insulated wires with metal pins on both ends for easy solderless connections. Its purpose is to connect the Arduino to the servo motor and potentiometer, transmitting power, ground, and signal data. Servo, a small motor with a control circuit inside capable of rotating to a specified angle, 0 to 180 degrees, based on the control signal. Has 3 pins, VCC, GND, and signal. Its purpose is to rotate its shaft according to the position of the potentiometer, demonstrating proportional control. 10K potentiometer, a variable resistor with 3 terminals. Rotating the knob changes the voltage output, which can be read by the Arduino's analog pin. Its purpose is to act as a manual controller that determines the servo's angle based on its rotation. Solderless breadboard, a reusable platform for connecting components and wires without soldering. Its purpose is to provide a convenient and organized way to wire the potentiometer and servo connections. And that is all for our description. Thank you for watching.
Good day everyone, welcome back to our channel, and today we will be making project 11, which is interact with servo. Our last video is moving a servo, but this have a potentiometer. So let's get started.
Hello. Alright, that's good enough. Alright, so anyway, welcome back to Arduino programming. I am Zion Bardos and I will explain Act 11 of Arduino. So this time we don't have any challenges, so I actually fixed it. And first, let's talk about the library. So this is hashtag include servo h. Now servo h is just literally a library. It's like it's a built-in library basically. You just have to like, you know, put these two in so that your code works, and make sure to attach a pin connected to the servo, because without it you won't be able to use it. So I just use serial begin just to take a look at the serial monitor and, you know, check the potentiometer and what the angle is. Now here we have a very simple code. All right, we have the potentiometer and the range or the angle of the potentiometer. So the sorry. So the potentiometer has a max value of 10,000. No, not 10,000. Sorry. So 1,023. It goes from 0 to 1,023. And then the max angle for the servo is 160. Unfortunately, we can't go 180 for our servo, but you can always change this variable right here. That's just something I recommend. So anyway, we also have a delay here. So we have a delay after you switch the potentiometer. So the potentiometer will have a delay within the signal to the servo. Just means that it's gonna have like a slight bit of delay. It's not gonna be that bad. It still works. And we have here the serial, which will output what number is between 0 and 1023, or the angle of the servo, which is 0 to 160. That's about it. Thanks for listening. Thanks. I'll see you in the next one, actually.